Hey y'all, and welcome back to the party. It's your girl, BrittReacts, and today we are reacting to Dimash, Blizzard Again. Let's see what he has to say.
Зарығып тосуыңмен келемен қар басып жүрген жатыр шоқ сол жерден де қайта жолығамыз ба деп ем сен жоқсың қайта созамын ғой
Obviously the blizzard happening is really cool, but this might be the first time I've heard him sound like this. He sounds different. Like, is this another one of the versions inside of him? Because this doesn't sound like the Dimash that I'm used to. I like it. It's very mysterious, but it just doesn't sound like the version of him or the versions I've heard before.
Өзіңді сүйдім ұнаттым кеш жолықтық неге бірақтым қимасақ та қанша бал сезімді бастың бұл.
I just love listening to him sing in his native tongue. This says it's in Kazakh, so I just like the rolling of the R's, like it's so pretty to hear it in a song. It really is. It's so pretty.
Өмірден де өтеді жаным аяз қарап жаурайды жан жүрегім мұздайды.
So this seems like a compilation of all the performances of this song and videos that he's done of this song, which is really cool. I love the blizzard imagery in the beginning though. This is cool too, this like world map behind him. Dang. This is very off topic, which is normal for this channel. If you're new here, I'm sorry. Shout out to his tailor. His tailor is impeccable. His suits are always so well done. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. One breath. That was 4 notes. One breath. Nobody can do that. Nobody.
Жаурайды жан жүрегім мұздайды. Аяз қарап жүрегім сені іздейді жаным қайдасың.
Another phenomenal vocal performance by Dimash. That's it, guys. That's another one. Just, I still like the fact that he did that like crescendo in one breath. I couldn't hold my breath that long if I tried. It's crazy. All right, guys, please go have the day you deserve. Peace.